Want to add 3D models to your WordPress website? Introducing 3D Viewer plugin by B Plugins. You can make your site more interactive and help visitors see your products and designs from every angle. Getting started is easy. Log in your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Greater than Add New and search for 3D Viewer. Click Install, then Activate, and you're ready to go. You can embed 3D models anywhere, not just on WooCommerce products. Add them to pages, posts, and even Elementor or Gutenberg blocks. Use short codes to place 3D models wherever you want. Customers can rotate, zoom, and explore your products or designs as if they were right in front of them. The plugin is lightweight and fast with lazy loading to improve SEO and site speed. Make your website stand out and give your visitors an interactive experience. Install 3D Viewer today and start using 3D models in minutes.